Welcome back to my channel. Is it the first time that you are seeing this video? Please kindly hit the notification button to give you more weekly updates. As you do so, God bless you. Alright, let's back. Our main discussion today, I'll be reviewing the best AI tools in 2026. Yes, as I said, best AI tools in 2026. These best AI tools in 2026, most of the creators that you are seeing in the social media, they are using all those things. Cash out, yes, your information. To cash out, I'll surprise you. Please kindly watch this video to the end. As you do so, God bless you. Alright, the best AI tools that you use in 2026. Probably you will not see the social media. Just watch this video to the end. You will see the tools, the AI tools that I was talking about. If you don't have it on your phone, kindly go and download it. It will help you on your social media 2026. Yes, the best AI tools that I'll be reviewing on the screen here, that we see here on the top of my screen, is ChatGPT. Yes, we all know that ChatGPT is the best AI tools that most of the creators use to write script. Not only script, you can ask ChatGPT to give you one definition or something. Oh, this thing I don't understand it. Please, can you just make me clearer? Yes. Yeah, okay, I will help you. That's the work of ChatGPT. The work of ChatGPT is to make things simple. Yes, to make script simple. Most of the students of these days, most of them are now using ChatGPT. They no longer crack their brain anymore. Can't you see now? Technology is the work of technology. Simple. Number two that I'll be reviewing here on the script here, or this video here that you are seeing at the right up here, is crowd. Yes, you can use it. It's also forcing as ChatGPT. You can use it. Yes, anywhere. Yes, you can see another one I'll be reviewing here is Google Genie. Yes, Google Genie. You know how it works. Multiple. It contains with multiple mood AI with a strong agglomeration in Google product, great for productivity and creativity prompt. As I say it now, I say creativity prompt. You can just create screenshot a video and picture or video, just tell him to prompt it. Yes, if we prompt it and analyze it and explain it how the picture is all about or how the video is all about. That is it. This is 2026. Yes, technology make things simple. Yes, I say here the best AI tools. The best AI tools that can make your social media go far in 2026. I'll be reviewing another one here is Google Genie. Okay, I mentioned that one. The fourth one is Plurality AI. It is an excellent AI, a powerful search with a summarizing and citation idea for research. That is the work of Petron. That is the work of AI tools. The best AI tools that you can use. Most of them that I mentioned here, they are the best in 2020. That's the best, but the next time that you can use in 2026, you want to go for as a content creator, yes, kindly hit the notification button that anytime that I release another video, you can be able to see it and download it. Thank you very much. Wherever you are watching this channel, as I said, this is the first time that you are seeing this channel worldwide, this Unspoken Insight. Yes, kindly hit the notification button, like, share, and comment. If you hear anything, kindly drop your question at notification button or notification box. I will reply you. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.
Thanks for watching Unspoken Insight. Like, comments, and subscribe.